Find or read reviews that people are talking of LAMTTO DC12 Smart Dash Camera. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose LAMTTO DC12 Smart Dash Camera. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Wireless Dashcam offers top quality 4K, 3840x2160p at 30 fps, videos with superior sensor, help you read most details from street signs. License plate etc. 170 degrees wide-angle lens capture all pedestrians and vehicles around the car, providing sufficient evidence for rear-end collisions or collisions etc. The car dash camera can be controlled through simple voice commands. No need to press the buttons if you want to stop recording when answer the phone, just say the command. What's more, the 4K dashcam supports turn-on/off the switch sound, key sound, audio recording, offering you a safer, more comfortable driving experience. This car camera comes with app for Android or iOS smartphones to get a live stream, download videos, change settings, edit and share your footage simple. Videos can be shared to YouTube, TikTok and more social media platform with the tap of a finger, allowing you to share bits and pieces of any journey with all of your friends. The built-in GPS can easily record your driving route, driving speed and other information, which will become your important evidence. Dashboard camera recorder equipped with superior WDR technology, which improves low light sensitivity allowing clear imaging in low light environments. Thanks to the excellent f1.55 large aperture and 7 glass lens, it can better adapt to various light environments. Get crystal clear picture quality, whether day and night or through tunnels. 7-layer glass f1.55 aperture and WDR technology. The 170 degrees front lens covers multiple vehicles' lane, greatly improving the night vision effect. H.265 video coding technology, smaller video files, less memory space and smoother video playback, max support 128 GB SD card, not included. Dashcam 4K built-in lithium battery, the recorder can automatically monitor the surrounding environment. When the built-in G sensor detects a sudden shock or collision, the camera will automatically lock video, seamless loop recording will be automatically overwrite old files. Recording will be looped automatically. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.